different. Happy birthday. Starting this off by saying it's so crazy to think that you're turning 18 already. So that just yesterday we were still kids, arguing over small things, fighting about who would do the chores, but then laughing together moments later like nothing happened. Just like this are always do. But don't get me wrong, I'm so excited for you to turn 18, and I'm so proud of the woman you become. I've watched you grown into someone so strong and someone I could look up to. Also want you to know that in this new chapter of your life, I will always be here for you no matter what happens. I'll be here at your best and especially at your worst. And even if we're not on good terms, I'll always be someone you can lean on. You know, I hate to admit it, but I'm actually scared that this new chapter might change things between us. That you'll be busy figuring out adulthood while I'm still being childish. But if ever that happens, I want you to know that even as I don't always do, I love you so much and I care for you deeply. Even if I wasn't always the nicest, I've always been for you. And even if I wasn't showing it, I've always loved you. You've been my day one best friend, and I'll forever be grateful to have you as my sister. I would never want to trade you for anyone or anything. I wish you the best in this new chapter and hope you continue to grow stronger and braver. Happiest birthday. Hope your birthday is still happy.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Madeline. Mag-iingat ka palagi, stay safe.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Habs. We miss you here. Come back na, oh. Gala na ulit tayo.
Happy 18th birthday, Maz. 18 ka na. And wishing you endless happiness, success, and adventures as you step into this new chapter of life. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday.
Madeline, happy birthday. 18 ka na. Ang tanda mo na. Pero anyways, sana masaya araw mo, ganun. And then, puno ng good vibes. And then, alam mo naman na one chat away lang ako, ganun. Tapos, enjoy your day, treat yourself, ganun. Ingat ka palagi. I love you, miss na kita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Madeline! Sarangheyo!
Apa tu? Sarangheyo. I love you.
I love you, Ate Madeline!
I love you, baby.
Annyeong tali. Annyeong. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ate Madeline! Happy birthday, Ate Madeline!
Hello, Madeline. Bumabati ako sa iyo, no? Happy birthday. Sana gumanda pa ang iyong buhay at mag-aral ka mabuti dyan, ha? God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Madeline. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Sana, wish lang ni Ate Bereng, sana wag kang magbago, manatiling batang mabait, kahit anong marating mo sa buhay. Alam ko, nasa iyo na lahat na ibinigay sa iyo ni Mama at ni Papa. Pero sana, mag-aral pa rin mabuti para makamit mo yung gusto mong marating. Laging mag-iingat at laging mamahalin ang kapatid. At lagi mong tawagan si mama mo kasi nahirap ang malayo ang anak. Ramdam ko kung anong pakaramdam ng malayo ang mga anak. Masaya ako para sa iyo. Happy 18th birthday. God bless.
Hi, Ate Madeline. Hindi ako sanay sa camera, so iklian ko lang. Happy birthday po sa'yo, and I wish you all the best. Happy 18th birthday po. Bumalik ka na dito.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Madel. Believe in yourself and reach for the dreams you cherish as you turn 18. May this be the start of a grand journey full of strength and success, and continue to be a beautiful inside and out. Your mom and dad will always be proud of you. Happy birthday, Ate. God bless you.
Hello, Madeline. Happy birthday. 18th birthday mo pala. So, dalaga ka na. Kahit anong mangyari, lagi mong lagi ka magpipray. Okay? First God naman, lagi. Tapos, sila ate, sa kuya, mama at papa mo, lagi mong papasayahin. Yun. Tapos, keep safe lagi, mag-aral mabuti. Tsaka, love na love ka namin. Yun. Okay, lagi magpipray ha. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hello, I'm your Tita Bambam. Happy 18th birthday, Madeline. I hope you enjoy this special day as you become an officially adult. We may not be able to celebrate you in person, but we are wishing you all the best. I'm also rooting for you for everything as long as it makes you happy and fulfilled. You know how much you are special to me. You brought me so much joy during the times we were together. So let's bonding again when you get the chance to visit and vacation here in the Philippines. But for now, focus on building strong and beautiful life there. Stay safe and don't forget to pray for everything, especially on your family.
Happy birthday to my fantastic cousin. Growing up with you has been an adventure filled with laughter and memories. Here's to celebrating you today and always. Happy birthday, Princess!
Happy birthday, Madeline! Enjoy your day! Miss you!
Happy birthday, Nina Madeline. I miss you.
18th birthday, Madeline. Mag-iingat dyan. Happy 18th birthday, Madeline. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo dyan at lagi ka mag-iingat dyan sa Italy. Happy po, Nina. Happy birthday. Kakanta tayo kay Nina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang! Yay! Ang galing naman!
Happy birthday, Madeline. I miss you po. I love you po.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po.
Go!
Happy birthday, Tita Madeline. I miss you po. I always miss you po. I love you po.
Yay!
Hi B, happy birthday. Bye-bye. Hello, it's me, your best friend. Best friend? Charot, yes. Oo, best friend mo. Wala kang magagawa. Charot. Happy birthday, Princess Madeline B. Habakan. Yes, 18 ka na. 18 ka na. Hello. Charot. Kaya mo yan, you know, it's just like another year for you. Yes. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam sabihin. Pero siguro, be happy. Be happy. Chat. Hindi. I know na marami kang pinagdadaan. Well, not really. Hindi. Alam ko na may mga, you know, problema ka na pinagdadaanan. And mga things na minsan nakaka-overthink, pero isipin mo lagi na we're here for you, your family, your friends, and me. Nandito kami para sa'yo to support and care for you. Yes! Hindi, yun na talaga yung sabihin ko sa'yo kasi nakakailang take na ako. Alam mo ba, nakakailang take na ako ng video. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano sabihin ko sa'yo. Kasi, as you know, hindi naman ako ganito. And, nautusan lang po ako. Ay, chat. Nautusan. Yun lang. Happy birthday talaga sa'yo. And, yeah. This might sound generic, pero, or like common. Pero, ayun talaga. Yun lang talaga masasabi ko sa'yo. For you to be happy and, ma-achieve yung mga dreams mo in life. Yes. And, yeah. Makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Ay. Ayun lang. Yun lang talaga. Kasi, yeah. Nasa part na tayo ng ating life na very serious na ang dating. Hindi na siya biruan. Yeah. Kailangan na natin siya i-take serious. But, don't forget to have fun and to take care of yourself. Kilala kita, Princess Madeline D. Habakon. So, yun. Always take care of yourself and choose yourself first, before others. Yeah. Ayun. Alam ko naman na kaya mo yan. Amen. Kung ano mang pagsubok yan, kakayanin mo yan kasi ikaw si Princess Madeline B. Habakon. Which is wala nang iba, kundi ikaw lang malamang yung pangalan mo, diba? Sorry na, ang dami kong dala. Wala akong kwenta, kaibigan. Hindi ko alam, pero tatapusin ko na to. Happy birthday again. Happy 18th birthday. Yes, this is a big milestone for you. And yeah, yun lang. Have fun for today and every day in your life. Yes, yun lang. Yun lang talaga. I love you. Yun lang. Happy birthday, take care, and be safe out there. Yeah. And maybe soon, dito baka naman po. Soon magkita na tayo. Hindi ka alam. Baka lang naman, diba? Pero yeah. Happy birthday again, and stay safe, and I love you, and yeah, we're here for you. Always. I'm here for you every single day. Kahit ilang araw pa bago ako makasagot. Pero yeah, alam mo na nandito ako para sa'yo. And lagi kita susuportahan kahit ang mamaya. Yun lang. Alam mo na to kasi ilang beses na natin ito mapag-usapan. Ilang beses ko na itong sabi sa'yo. But yeah, enjoy for today. That's all. Goodbye. Yun lang, bye-bye. And see you soon. Maybe 10 years. Joke. Happy birthday. Bye. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Sas. Happy 18th birthday. It honestly feels so surreal to be greeting you like this. Kasi, it's been a while since we last saw each other. And nakikita na lang kita through your IG stories. But, kahit doon lang, I can tell that you've grown into such a beautiful person inside and out. And I didn't really see this coming at all, pero I'm thankful for Liza for reaching out. And I'm so grateful to be still part of your life, even if it's in this little way lang. I may not have seen you for a very, very long time, but I hope you know that I am so happy for you and I am proud of the person you've become. And I wish you nothing but love, joy, and endless blessings as you step into this new chapter of your life. And again, happy birthday, sis. I hope our paths cross again soon. And I miss you a lot and I love you so much.
Hi! Happy birthday, Madeline, and 18 ka na. Parang dati, ganito ka lang kaliit. Hindi. Happy birthday, and enjoy your life, and have a healthy life, and I wish you all the best. And sana, huwag niyo akong kalimut. Hindi ka magtatam. And I wish you a very... Hindi ka mag-iingay. Ayun. Happy birthday. Ano nang masabi kasi birthday mo naman eh. Parang hindi ka naman nagpepper. Hindi. 18 ka na, di ba? Ang tanda mo na, parang pwede ka nang makulong at hindi ka magpapakulong. Hindi ka magpapakulong. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday. See you soon. Bukas agad. Hindi bukas. Mamaya. Hindi mamaya. Happy birthday. On the way na ako. Hindi ka pupunta. Happy birthday. Wala ka kasi 18 ka na, parang ang tanda mo na sobra. Okay. Basta yun, happy birthday. And I wish you all the best. I hope that you will never forget the memories that we... Parang gagsti. Bye-bye.
Okay, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Madeline. I miss you in Italy. Happy 18th birthday na. Love you. Ingat ka always.
Hi ate, 18th birthday mo na ngayon. So, happy birthday. And kahit wala dyan si mama, sana maging masaya ka kasi andyan naman si papa, yung mga lola mo, mga tita mo. Sana mapasaya ka namin yung araw ng birthday mo. Payo ko lang sa'yo, sana makinig ka sa mga payo ng mga lola at lola mo dyan, sa papa mo. Sana huwag mong masama kung ano mo yung mga sinasabi sa'yo. Ginagawa nila yon, sinasabi nila sa'yo yon dahil mahal ka nila. Basta, proud na proud si mama sa'yo. Andito lang ako lagi, isang text lang na makikinig ako. Walang secret ha. Saka 18 ka na, hindi ibig sabihin nun malaya ka na. Ibig sabihin ng 18, you're getting matured para magdesisyon kung ano yung mga tama. Kaya dapat lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo, pag-isipan mong mabuti. Basta nandito lang kami para sumuporta sa iyo at gabayan ka kung ano man yung dapat na gawin mo. Kapag pagayuan ka, tandaan mo, mahal kita. Enjoy this day. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you so much. Happy birthday, anak. Love you.